my name is Dr. Angela Brinson. I am a licensed psychologist and I'm also a cannabis consultant. I am here today at Miracle Leaf in Pembroke Pines to celebrate Dispensary Night, which is also known as Funky Friday. So I've been talking to a lot of parents this evening, as well as a lot of adults, about the benefits of CBD and medical marijuana. As we make our way into October, which is Breast Cancer Survivor Month, I want to just say that as a breast cancer survivor, I can attest to the benefits of medical marijuana and CBD. For my patients, I make recommendations for CBD for things like anxiety, depression, ADHD, epilepsy. We have found that by utilizing CBD in conjunction with therapy, we're able to decrease the symptoms of these disorders that negatively impact children as well as adults in their social functioning. So thanks again for having me. It's a pleasure to be here. I'm a huge supporter of medical marijuana, of CBD, of holistic education. Namaste.